Hi, welcome to this episode. So in our previous one, we saw how the administrator's content page will look like and how it will function. So next up is to see what happens when the administrator clicks on any article's title to preview the article. So let's look at that page and how it works as well. So we are going to also wireframe it right under the previous page because it all aligns with the same idea. So I will make a copy of the existing one, align them well. The structure remains the same, which is the header here, and then here we are going to have we will not put anything special there because we are actually dealing with a single article. So then we need to clear all these things. All right, so once we've cleared all this, we can now go ahead to lay out what we want for our articles preview from the administrator's perspective. So what I'm looking at right now is to have the image right here, so something like that. Have the article image, sorry. So I could let me just stick to that. I've done it already. Then this circle shouldn't be this color, so let me make it this white. Then mark that it is an image. All right, so right beside that image, I would like us to have the title. So we are going to write the title of the article. So first article's title. So, and I'm getting the habit of not to zoom in for you to see, right? So I'll do that. Let me zoom in. So first article's title, we'll have the title there, and then probably the author and the publication date. So because we don't want to really have the page to extend itself down, so that we don't want a tall page. So we are going to provide, so we said author, so let's say the date of publication, like we said. Then I use dot somewhere and somewhere I use dash, so I will have to harmonize that. I would like to go with the dot symbols, so 12 2023 or 24, and then we'll add by author's name, so the author's name will come up there. So we'll have that right under the title, and then we like the administrator to see the excerpt. So the excerpt will be some lorem ipsum text, right? So some lorem ipsum text like that. So something like that. Copy it, paste, and reduce. So we'll bring the excerpt text like this. So assuming it's just some 2 lines of text. So we just make sure it fits in small text as a small text. All right. So we have the excerpt. So if we look at the form we used to create the article, so on this form we did not indicate like who is the creator of the article. So basically the system is going to use the administrator who is signed in at that moment as the author. So we don't need to provide a field for the author, right? So although in some cases it is also cool to have that option where you choose the author, because the person who writes the article might not be the actual author of the article. So but for now we will not handle that aspect of things, so we'll just move on with a straightforward case. So, and besides, I'm assuming this is going to be used for an individual, so for personal use purposes. So here we go. Here I made a mistake, which is the cover image. I made it as a text box. It shouldn't be. I think that should be the post excerpt. and then this should be an image we upload. So let me delete these guys. So I will now mark here as a text box, right? So, and here this is going to be choose file, choose a file. So this is a select a file upload field. So there's no particular tool to symbolize that, and it usually comes with 3 dots like that. So choose a file. So I think this is the right way of doing this. So let's go back to our article preview. So once we have that added here, we'll now provide the content. So for the content, I wouldn't do much. I'll just do some lines here just to show that we'll have the content, because I don't have to provide any particular text here. So right under that, we are going to have a line, because I would like to have the buttons to take some actions already on the article right at this moment. So let's assume the administrator decides to delete the article. They don't have to go back to the dashboard or the content page and then take that action. So if possible, they should be able to make it here. So let's see who can take the line tool like that. So keep it straight. I will color it red because this is a red area, a dangerous area. And then we'll offer the, let's say, the edit option first. So edit, so that's going to have an icon of something. So this one we stick to white. So edit, make it a pencil. Then we have edit. So this will be spelled in plain text, edit, to make it easy for the admins. And then we'll have the dustbin right here to be delete, or a cross, so delete. So obviously once the admins click on the delete, we'll have to ask them to confirm if they really want to take the action. So if they want, then the article will be deleted, otherwise, and then that will go. So I think at that point we'll have to write some little JavaScript, a tiny JavaScript, which is really not the goal of this series, but we'll still write it. So this is it for the preview of an article from the admin's perspective. So I hope you enjoyed this and you've already liked and subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one, where we are going to look at the button to edit the article. Once the administrator clicks on edit, what are they going to see? And that's going to be a simple one. So stick around, click on the notification bell so that you can be notified once we publish that. Thank you so much.